Hi, today I'm going to a factory to check some stock goods of face mask. Here I arrive and go by the elevator to the warehouse. They have two kinds of mask, gray kind and white kind. Both are N95 standard. I ask them to cut it to show me the inside. It's 5 plies inside. Packing is 1 piece per polybag. Factory information on the polybag. $50 piece per big polybag. It's factory brand on the polybag. Then they show me the gray color. This one is better quality than the white one. They also have inside layer and it's with ventilation valve. Packing is similar. This is packing carton. And then I find some face shield on the warehouse. We open one box to check out. She showed me how to install it. It can adjust the length for kids and adults. Put it on. Protection layer on the surface. Remove it before you use it. You can find all the information printed on it. Thank you for watching.